What is the SIP and PUF input device? SIP and PUF, or SNP devices, allow folks who are unable to use a manual device to access computers and other vital technology. Users take a sip or blow a puff of air into a wand that resembles a straw to create air pressure. This air pressure sends a signal to the device and ignites certain commands, just like a keyboard or mouse, depending on the type of SNP and how a user calibrates it. A puff may allow them to navigate through elements on a web page, and a sip may open links and activate buttons. SNPs fall into the switch device category of assistive technology as they connect to an external device that then connects to the computer, similar to the way an Ethernet port connects devices to the internet. Other types of switch devices include joysticks, push buttons, eye trackers, and chin switches. SNPs, as with most switch devices, aren't solely used for the computer. They are often used to control wheelchairs, environmental control systems, and even fishing poles. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.